Hello, good evening, Professor. Now I am reviewing my Google assignment or our SLO assignment from previous. This time we were tasked with either using CSS or using Bootstrap to fully optimize and make our Google page responsive. As some of the requirements given were creating the toolbar, this time I completed it and got it to expand the full width of the page. We were tasked with having a white font, had the font labeled as Arial as our font type, and as we hover over it, we have a grayish background with a one point top border, red pixel, which I've shown to be completed up here, and it is consistent all across all my buttons. The same can be said for with my search. We have added a border and must darken or be responsive as soon as you hover. Same can be seen with our Google button, our Google search, and our Feeling Lucky. Both darken upon hovering over said button. Also, when it comes to interacting with this, I've updated my Google page to now, instead of just saying the settings, I added the setting logo and having that also being responsive. As such, it changes pages still works the same as if the setting was just there. Everything works as responsive. My footer is here. I believe for it to be sticky based on what I made, but I was not able to have it underlined as you hover over it. That was the only thing I couldn't complete as I was doing this project. Other than that, I believe I finished the project to my best ability, and I completed every task that was given to me to the best of my ability and my current knowledge. Borders were all up to date, fonts were up to date, and that'll be all. Hope to see you in class on Tuesday. Have a great night. Also, before we leave, I'm sorry for the delay. Also, this is my actual code file, even though you will open it upon once you receive it. These are some of the changes I have made from the original till now. I made many more div pages, div stylings throughout the styling page. Made new div tags that reorder and reorganize my web page. Same can be seen within the header and the body. And this shows where some of my struggles began to come into play with creating the sticky footer. But I did my best, and I believe it's sticky. The only issues I am coming across is the underlining when upon you hover over said hyperlink. And that'll be all. Now this time I'm letting you go. I apologize for such delay. Next time I will do better.